If you are still manually organizing files, cleaning temp folders, or dragging documents to a backup drive, stop. You're doing robot work. Let the robot do it. I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write 3 powerful Windows scripts that handle the boring stuff for you. No coding, no tech degree, just copy, paste, and let your PC work for you. Your PC can organize your files, clean out junk, back up your documents, all on its own. The only thing stopping most people is that setting this up always required knowing how to code. ChatGPT just killed that problem completely. You describe what you want, it writes the script, you run it. That's literally it. Let me show you. By the way, if your PC is still lagging, I've got a dedicated video on boosting your speed by clearing all cache and junk from Windows 11 and 10. It's the easy way, no stress. Check it out in the top right corner. Okay, first script, and I'm going to show you the full process here, so you can repeat this for literally anything. Open ChatGPT free version is totally fine. Now, here's the key. Don't just say write me a script, be specific. Here's what I type. Write a PowerShell script that moves all files in my downloads folder into subfolders by file type, images, documents, videos, installers, and an others folder for anything else. Create the folders if they don't exist. Done. Full working script in seconds. Now copy the whole thing, open Notepad, paste it in files, save as. Important step here, change the drop down to all files and name it with PS1 at the end. That's it. Now open PowerShell as administrator, right-click the Start button, Terminal Admin. First time only, paste this line. Set-ExecutionPolicy RemoteSigned. Hit Y. Never need to do that again. Now run the script. Look at that, every file has a home now. Images, documents, installers all separated. Took 1 second. Script 2 Junk File Cleaner. Your PC is hiding gigabytes of garbage right now and you don't even know it. Temp files, old logs, Windows Update leftovers, it builds up and slows everything down. Prompt I used is write a PowerShell script that deletes temp files, clears the Windows temp folder, empties the recycle bin, and tells me exactly how much space was freed. Skip any files currently in use so nothing crashes. Over a gigabyte of junk wiped out. PC runs noticeably faster after this. Run it once a week and you're good. Script 3, and honestly the most important one, auto backup. Losing your files is never a matter of if, it's when. And this script makes sure you never lose anything. Write this prompt into ChatGPT and it will give you a PowerShell script. Save it according to the method I told earlier. Here's the prompt I used. Write a PowerShell script that copies my documents folder to a backup folder on my D drive. Name each backup with today's date so I always know when it was created. If a backup already exists for today, skip it. There it is, full backup, date stamped, done in 4 seconds. Now here's the move. Search for task scheduler in your start menu, create a basic task, point it to any of these scripts and set a time. Every morning they run automatically before you even open your laptop. Set it once, forget it forever. Free scripts, no coding. Your PC basically takes care of itself now. All 3 prompts are copy-paste ready in the description below. Grab them. If this helped you out, smash that like button, it genuinely helps this reach more people. Subscribe for more stuff like this every week and drop a comment telling me what you want to automate next. I might build it in the next video. See you in the next one.